Well, our morning starts out a bit mild compared to where we're going to be later today. Notice the temperatures at around 46 for our 6 o'clock hour and 38 by lunch. And you'll see the trend of temperatures actually going down instead of up during the day, even though we'll have sunshine. Temperatures this morning actually starting out in the low 50s, but throughout the day today, as colder air continues to move in, it will start to get colder. As a matter of fact, our temperatures continue to drop right now. 45 in Birmingham, so we've dropped a couple of degrees in the past hour. 47 in Tuscaloosa, 38 in Alabaster. You've actually warmed up a couple of degrees in Shelby County. And eventually, all of these numbers will start to even out and become a little more of a pattern as far as the range of numbers. But check out the wind chill. Already, we're looking at numbers in the upper 20s around Arley, Double Springs. 30 in Jasper, 29 in Blunsville, and it feels like 39 in Birmingham. The kids have to have heavier jackets. So do you. Throughout the day today, make sure that you have that jacket, maybe a hat and gloves, and certainly earmuffs not out of the question for tomorrow morning. But we do have a pretty healthy snowstorm, which is brewing across Kentucky and the Ohio Valley. That is moving towards the east, but that is the leading edge of the much colder air as the jet stream has made its move towards the south and will continue to throughout the day today and into the night tonight. This will allow all of that cold air, which was actually over the North Pole not long ago, to pour into the southeast. As it does, that will help to not only keep us dry, but it's also going to be very blustery later into the day today. As that air arrives, there will be a pretty big contrast as far as the pressure in the atmosphere, so that helps move the air and the winds start to pick up. Out of the northwest at 10 to 20, that's going to make it feel much colder by this afternoon. When our numbers are in the low 30s, you can count in a wind chill probably in the range of 10 to 15 degrees. Now, looking at our forecast model data through today, a few passing high clouds, that's about it. Dry through our day, but very cold tonight. A low of 15 to 18 degrees by tomorrow morning. Got to prepare for that again. It's not going to be single digits, but you factor in that wind, it will be in the single digits, what it feels like if you step outside without much in the way of anything covering your hands, your head, your ears. That will catch up in a hurry. Wednesday, it is going to be a chilly day. Temperatures only into the mid and upper 30s for highs with sunshine. Thursday, a few high clouds start to build back in, and that is going to be high cloud cover. We'll still get sunshine through. Problem is that will reflect some of the solar radiation, so that will keep our temperatures down a couple of degrees. And with that cold, dense Arctic air already in place, it's going to be tough to modify that air until we get into Friday. But even then, we have another batch of colder air headed our direction. Look at this. Here comes the cold air. Now, this is by lunch, later into the afternoon. That freezing line moving all the way down into Birmingham. So get ready. It's going to be breezy and cold by rush hour today. 38 tomorrow, 34 on Thursday, and then we're back into the mid-30s by Friday with lows into the upper single digits for the Tennessee.